Welcome back, everyone. This is SciTech with Tech Riot Gaming, here with our 11th episode in our Foundry Let's Play. Did a little bit of belt work off camera, as I said I would, at the end of last episode. And we're ready to move forward today with our agenda list, which today is going to be adding additional plate and rod lines to augment what we already have going down the bus. We'll be adding steel pipeline to the bus. We'll be getting steam power, and if we still have time after that, the last thing on the item is adding automated advanced machine parts. Yeah, so as you can see, I pre-laid out all of the belt work for the additional rod and plate lines, as well as laying out the additional belt work for the steel pipe line that's going to be created. I also took the liberty of cleaning up the lines that were coming in for the steel. It was kind of all over the place with, I basically transitioned it all below, right? So we've got these nice clean lines now feeding into our steel lines. I extended the bus a little bit and created some additional space out here that we'll use, not this episode, probably the next one, for doing our gravel, cement, and concrete production. Maybe. I definitely am going to put cement and gravel over here because those will go on the bus. Concrete needs to go on the bus too, but it uses cement and gravel and water. So I'm not sure if I want to put that production off the bus over here so that I can then dump concrete back in, or if I want to do it over in this space. I'm not sure yet, but that's for another episode. So let's get started with our rod and plate lines. Let's see what we need. We need 3, 6, 7, 8, 16. I need 32 crushers. And 3, 6, 9, 12, 16, 30. So 64 smelters and 32 crushers. I think we have that. Let's go see. How much? Oh, I don't have a lot of room. Let's see what I can dump off here. Destroy. Let me go dump some stuff out of my inventory over here with the biomass and seeds. Let's see if I can get these out of my inventory. My biomass storage is getting full because I haven't been using that many explosives, but we'll see what we can do. Drop off the seed. Where's my underpass? I think it's right here. Let's see. Oh, not full. Okay, perfect. Full. Oops. There we go. Here. Okay, perfect. Had room to dump that off, which is good. I'm gonna mark this with railings or something so I know it's here. Our railings are really stupid. I mean, I don't know why those go in the middle of the tile. Like, that just doesn't... I mean, I only made 3 of them. We'll leave 2 there for now just so that I remember where it's at and can see it. Okay. Go get our 32 crushers and 64 smelters. Hopefully I have that much, because I think I only have a single storage container for each type. That means we should have 80 of each. So let's see. Should be down here. Yep. Okay, so what I say we need 64 of these. Essentially all but, okay, we'll take all that, we'll put one back. And 32 crushers. Just 4? Oh, just the right amount of slots. Couldn't have asked that to work out better if I tried. Okay. Well, I'm gonna need more than what I can carry, but let me top these guys off. I don't know why I have so many of those 2-lane ones on me, but that's okay. Move that out of the way. Okay. Yeah, I also extended our bus line as well, so this will carry our new rod and plates. We also have our steel line coming over here, so we'll also put our pipeline over here as well once we get the pipeline finished. This hopefully won't take us too long to do, just assuming I don't screw some stuff up. Because you know it's me. I like screwing stuff up. Okay, panel to the outside. Let's see where I put this on this mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 per side, right? Yeah. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, this is the output row, so we're gonna go output. 6, 7, 8. Panel on the outside. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Outputs. Okay. There we go. Inputs. What? Knew that was gonna happen. I do this better when I'm walking down the lane versus trying to do it from the front. Oops. And I just said I do it better when I'm walking down the lane. Like, come on. Make sure we're still input, 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 and input. Okay. There, now I need smelters. And smelters butt up. Okay. Go here. Go 3. Panel to the outside. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Never fails. I can't do one of these lines without misplacing at least one of these. Okay. Did I do that? Yeah, looks like I got it right. Okay. Ah. Out of connectors. Alright, let's go get more. I will eventually work on a central storage. But for now, just have 150 of these for right now. Not sure if that's enough or not, but it'll get us going. More inputs. Input, input, input. Okay, now only thing left to do on this line is set the recipe. This is going to be plates. Oh, this is ore, that's right. Red xenoferrite ore. Now we go shift, copy config, paste config, paste config. Paste config, paste config, paste config, paste config, okay. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Should have plates flowing, we do. Perfect, perfect. Alright. Why do I have so many crushers on me? 10, 20, 30. Didn't I get enough? Oh yeah, 32, right? 16 on each side, 32, and then 16. Now I just have way too many crushers for some reason. I don't know why I grabbed that many, but okay. Well, let's make sure our panel's on the outside. It is. 5, 6, 7. Oops. 7 and 8. Make sure I'm putting this in the right place. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's move the smelters, panel to the outside, butt up against the thing. Alright. Oh, I put that in the wrong place. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Nope. Screwed something up. Ugh. Screwed all these up. Classic SciTech. Okay, let me get these pulled out. Off by 1. There we go. But, come on. Can we stop doing that, please? Okay, perfect. Outputs, okay, outputs done all the way down, outputs done all the way down. And we're going to do inputs. Did I do these wrong? Okay. easier to do on the second side when you can line it up with the other loaders. Okay. I think we're ready to set recipe now. Over here, do this, go Technomore. That. Alright, same thing on the other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty. Start producing. Let's just make sure I didn't screw up the belts back here. Should have 2 lines with a 3rd line in the middle. That is not going to happen until we get to 640 belts. And then we should have the same thing here. 2 full 320 belts of rods with the middle belt being empty. That won't fill up until we get to 640 belts. Alright, now let's work on our pipeline over here. It's going to produce our steel pipes. I need what? 4, 8, 16 crushers. I have 18 crushers. Okay, I got enough crushers. And then I need, right, 4, 8 at 16 crushers, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 32. Need 32 smelters. Let's go get our smelters. We'll get some more loaders as well. I'm so thankful that I put that temporary automation back here for smelters and crushers. And loaders, for that matter. You see the regular loaders are right here. Let's go ahead and grab that and that. What do I need? 1632. 32 smelts. Where are my smelts? Here we go. 1, 2, 36 smelters. Okay. So 16, 32. Okay. Oops. Accidentally triggered my Steam overlay there. It screws with my speed walking settings when I do that for some reason. There must be a keybind for it or something. Okay. We are going to put our crushers panel to the outside here. 4. Panel to the outside. And butt up against them is our 8 smelters. Panel to the outside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Panel to the outside, butt up against them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There we go. Crushers. Panel to the outside. Panel to the outside. 4. Oh, there's smelters. Panel to the outside. Butt up against. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Panel to the outside. Butt up against. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter where we start. I guess I can start with outputs. 4, oops. Then, right, intake, 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 intake. Okay. Flip it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go 5 intake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then these are going to be outputs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Building 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And these are inputs. These are outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we change it to input. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So these whole lines are set. Just have to figure this for come over and set the recipe on these guys. All right. For output, 1, 2, 3, 4, change to input, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's intake 1, 2, 3, 4, switch it around. 3, 4, go to 5, mark it for intake. 2, 3, 4, switch it around. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then these guys are 4 outputs. 1, 2. Okay, flip it around. Okay. Outputs 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to inputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I just have to set the recipes. Ferrite, so I should be able just to go. Oops. Screwed that up, but okay. There we go. Okay. Now we gotta figure out the next part, because I don't know what the next part is necessarily about. So let's see. This is gonna be producing pipes in an assembler. We have 14 assemblers, so let me... Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I could create 14 assemblers. I have... Did I dump that off? Wait, hold on. I thought I had some tier 2 assemblers in my inventory. Might have dumped them in my dump chest back here. Let's just double check. I think I want to do tier 2 assemblers for the first time with this pipeline. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. I'm not still carrying those drone miners, am I? Oh, okay. Nothing in there. Could have swore I had more than... Am I just missing it? Hold on. Oh, I did have one, because I just created one, so I had one in my inventory, so that gives me 2. I have steel, I have plates, I have rods. Okay. Oh, but I don't have it on my bar, so let's... What does that take to make, actually? A regular assembler and then advanced machine parts. Okay. Do I have that regular assembler on the end? Please tell me I have the regular assembler on the end. Oh, I do. That's fantastic. Alright, we'll pop another assembler down here, an assembler 2, to make assembler 2s for us, and it'll just pull from this assembler 1, so it won't be efficient, but at least it'll be creating assembler 2s for us from now on, so we can just use assembler 2s from this point forward. We just have to get our advanced machine parts on the bus, which is coming. It's one of the things we're doing. Okay, so we're using assembler 2s. So let's go here, grab that, put that there. Let's go 5. You just take a look at this real quick. Want to do pipes. What am I outputting? I'm outputting a 320 line. I wish they had an in-game calculator like Satisfactory. Let me just pull up the calc real quick. Well, I am capable of doing this in my head. It's just late in the day for me. I'd just rather use a calculator. So 320 divided by 45. Oops. Seven. $7.1. All right. So we can intake with a 2-lane, output with a 2-lane. Alright, so I need... I'm not going to create 8 because that'll create a steel deficit, so I'm just going to do 7 and we just won't be fully consuming the 320 belt, right? So I have that, so let's just create 5 of these real quick. It's going to take a minute. I'm definitely not going to need this much belt, which is fine. Then we got to get our pipes onto the bus. That's going to be, oops, here. Right, I don't think I have anything down that way. I do not. So we're waiting for those to craft. We'll just carry our belt all the way down. I forgot I wanted to add some inline storage. These are big boy boxes. I don't know that I need to house that much. We'll just do 2 of the smaller ones for now. I don't know that I need to keep that much in storage. Let's see, this is our steel line, right? So I'm gonna 2, 3, 4. I mean, it's not gonna line up. I'm not putting those in storage though, so I guess it's fine. It's just a place for us to come grab them if we need to pick some up for raw crafting. Like, I'll need it for some of the steam power stuff. I'll need some pipes in my inventory. I mean, maybe I should automate those things, but kind of similar temporary style with 1 assembler each off the belt, but I don't know. Let's do it this way. Oops. Let's do an intake. And output. Okay. Our assemblers are now done. So I'll do 3 on one side and 4 on the other. And we're gonna output to 1, pull from the other. 1, 2, 3. Go on the outside. 1, 2, 3. Let's go here. We're gonna configure this for pipes. This. Okay, now we just need to get our give me a little more steel in my inventory. It's fine. Okay, 5 input. Let's see, it's gonna be an output, so I guess we'll do input. Oops. 5 input. Did I say 4? Oh yeah, I didn't put another one down over here. 5. That. Okay, now we're gonna go 4. Oops. 4 output. Let's see. You guys are gonna run an input there. Oh, these are only 3 across. Dang it. Input, output. Oh, I won't be able to make this work. Let's see. That's an output, right? Let's see, out. This is gonna work. Ugh. Ran out of loaders. Of course I ran out of loaders. That's why I need central storage. I don't have to run all the way across the huge factory to get back here to my temp storage for this stuff. Went through a lot of loaders, that's for sure. Definitely want a decent amount of storage for pipes, but let's see, output, and 4 output there. Okay. Now 5 is going to be the output, so we need output. Make sure I can reach it. Okay, output, output. Output. Output 4, input, input there, input there, input there, input there. Okay, now let's grab one of these big storage containers. It'll be our first time making one of these. Guess we can. Ooh, the panel's on the opposite, on the long side, not the short side. I mean, that's kind of poo-poo. We got that coming down on the inside. Okay, we'll do that. 4 inputs, outputs, 7 into there. Alright, so now we've got our steel and our pipes. Right, it's pipes? Yeah, pipes. So now we have, after plate line, rod line, steel pipeline, and then steam power. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit of stuff, so let's plan this before we head over. Both my new plate and rod lines full, they are. Starting to fill out our stuff, that's for sure. Let's see, do I want to... Oh, that's gonna come last, right? I said that's gonna be last. Okay. We need steam power. So let's plan this out real quick. What do we need for steam power? I think I understand how this stuff works. We have a boiler which creates steam and it hooks directly to a steam turbine. But I don't know the fuel consumption on this. I know 1 line of water should be enough for anything I want to do. These things are also big. Let me create one of those and one of those. And I don't think we have the tier 2 transformers. No, those are down here, which require green science. Okay. All of this is green science, right? Filter, 3-laner. Yeah. Interested about these escalators. Like, it looks like you put them down on the base plates to make yourself travel faster, like run faster, like human walkways you see in airports. Maybe is what those are. Okay, did those finish crafting up yet? Not quite. I should just carry a stack of electrical components and machine parts as well as rods and plates on me, just so I can handcraft things a little bit faster. Okay, I'm gonna use this open space over here real quick just to put these down so we can kind of get an idea of how big they're gonna be and how much space we're gonna need. Because we're gonna build this off of this, I think, out here where there's this water. We'll build a platform off of our existing resource bus and build it out here this way, and then we'll put all of our turbines on there and we can pump our water up. And then that way I can utilize the resource bus for bringing in water, I think. I'm gonna have to test it, but I think I can stack the pipes either alongside or on top of the existing belts. I might just do it alongside. In fact, let me take a look at something really quick. Hold on, let's place these down real quick. And it's a boiler. Let's see. Okay, so that's the panel. So this is what a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 3 by 5. And then you can hook the turbine right to it, I think. Yeah, so there's our input. It's weird that the panel is on that side, but I mean, how do I? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is, oh, this is the same size. So as long as I butt these up against each other, like that, they should make the connection on their own. Yeah. Steam out, steam in, right? Okay. So these things are 5 wide and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 by 5. Oh, and these will connect together with their water source too, it looks like, so I don't have to pipe to them. Oh, that's really nice, actually. Yeah, it's got input output on both sides. Looks like it's a dual purpose port is what I'm taking that badge to mean. Inputs water, output steam. Need some fuel though. Place burnable items. So I guess that's where we're going to be bringing in the ignium ore off of our resource bus. So that's fine. All right. Pipes, electrical components. Now it takes 4 inputs. Yeah, maybe I just handcraft these. Let me grab a bunch of pipes, machine part. I'm just gonna grab all the stuff I need, put it in inventory, and we'll handcraft these for now. I don't feel like automating them. Okay. How many am I gonna make? Let's see. Gotta go big, right? Alright. I'm gonna need some conveyors. I'm gonna need not as many conveyors as I have on me. I gotta try and juggle inventory space here. I had it open. Yeah, I did. Let's put all that down there. Let's take... Don't think I'm gonna need a lot of these. Let's take 600 of those. I have some ramps on me. I have my splitter. Okay, don't need these smelters or crushers on me right now, so let's just go ahead and put those down. I'm not gonna need these railings. I have one of these with railings in them already. There's a smelter already. Grab that out, just put that in there. Alright, so now we want to pick up 300 pipes. Get a stack of 200. Okay, let me calculate what I need for that. So that's gonna be 200 machine parts for that. I need 1,000 machine parts. Shit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now steel. 200, 400, 600, 700 steel beams, and 500 electrical components. I'm going to destroy that because it's taking up space. Did I say 500 of those? Okay, we're just going to have to take 600. And go get our pipes. Oh, that's interesting. It's this big one's holding just as many as the small one would. It's just they only stack in hundreds. That's interesting. 2, 3. Make sure that's all I need. It's 100. Yeah, 300 pipes. Okay, I needed steel, right? That's 500 steel. 5, 6, 700 steel. Got 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, we got 2,200 platforms. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab more platforms. That's the only thing I'm unsure of. how big of a platform we're going to need to make. Let's go down here. We'll just grab what we can. So we shouldn't have to clear anything. We already did. We're already raised above the water, so it's just a matter of laying down some platforms and then getting these things all set up. Now I still need to make the transformers, but I have to wait and see how much energy we're producing to figure out how many transformers we need so that we can come back and get the materials we need for transformers. And I'm on the wrong side. Gotta use my step up. Did my music quit? Music? What do we just end off with? Well, it definitely didn't play to the end. I think it's got like a timer. Where are we at? 1 hour, yeah. I don't know. I'll just play something here. Okay. I'm much happier with this service. I'm on a paid subscription, so I'll have to look in to see if there's a way to make it play continuously without stopping every hour or 2 hours or whatever it is. But it's definitely a lot more stable. It plays exactly what I want it to play, so I'm good to go. Right, we need a nice big stretch where we have openness, so we don't have to clear anything. I think this is gonna work. So I said it was 15 by 5, so we want 15. We're gonna have some belting, so let's just assume 15, 16, 17. And then we're gonna have some power poles, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 wide is a good place to start, maybe. I can run, yeah, okay. I said 23 wide, right? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I mean, I could go 24, 25 wide. Let's go 25 wide. Okay. And then 50, 100 squared. A little bit of breathing room, maybe. Let's go one more. Okay. That should be big enough to get us started on steam power. Oh, I forgot to leave. Yeah, I didn't leave space for my transformers, but I can make another small platform over here for transformers, or out here for transformers. Alright, so if we're gonna put transformers here, then I'm gonna okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, so, okay. 3 on each side. On each side with 2 per, okay. Three with 2. And oh, I should have had those crafting up this whole time, damn it. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I guess it wasn't going to take as long because I made sure I had all the components on me so it doesn't have to craft the subcomponents. Okay. Smooth move on my part. Alright. 8. I need input. Right. It's hard to put this where it needs to go. Boom, like that. Then we got high voltage on the back side. Oh, I didn't get the... Well, I gotta go back and get the stuff I need for transformers and power poles, so that's fine. So we go 7. I put the panel on this side, right? Wait, did I put that? No, okay. Panel universal, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Wait, did I miscount? Oh, and I screwed up placement. Didn't screw this up on my count, did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I guess I made one too many. Oops. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. It's so hard to tell where these... My clicking is a little rough right now. My mouse is a little too sensitive, so when I just like move my hand to push the button, it's like moving it off the click spot, like where I need to build it. And I have to stand so far back, I gotta be careful that I don't fall off the ledge. Got a little ways to go yet. Okay. I mean, not that falling off the ledge is gonna hurt me at all. It's just this is a little hard to oops. A little hard to place when you have to be so close. It's the same building problem we had in Planet Crafter, right? Although in this game it goes away when you get your jetpack. Okay, yeah, I made one too many of each, that's fine. Alright. I don't have anything left on me, so I gotta go back and see what we need for our... I mean, do I just put these extras down? I mean, I have the space. I don't know what their fuel consumption is, though. Energy fuel requirement. It doesn't say what the 3.6 megajoules. Seriously? Come on. Sorry, folks. I turned off my instant messenger and it came back on again. Okay. Alrighty. So we gotta get our fuel going in here. So let's do that. Oh, but I put this right on the platform and they're butt up against each other. Oh, I got lucky. I wasn't planning on utilizing these belts out here to pull stuff off of. Initially, when I did the design, I just figured there would be nothing tying into these. So that's why I put them all on top of each other with no gap underneath and no spacing between. But I can luckily just pull off this edge belt for what we need. So let me go to my belts. Let's go down. I'm gonna pull it from right there. Just need to grab that, and this is an unused belt back at the plant. So, I mean, not that I'm anticipating that these are gonna take a lot of fuel. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, and if it does, I've got a whole 320 belt I could dedicate just for this. I still have to get my piping and my pump. 2, 3, 4, 5. Got enough loaders. We need intake. Right there. There. Okay, that's not running yet because it doesn't have any water. Alright, so let's go back and get what we need for transformers and power poles, and we'll get some more piping and we'll make some pumps. I don't know what the pumps take. Pipe and machinery parts. Okay. I don't think I have any extra of any of that. Okay. I gotta make more service entrances to go under the belts so I don't have to run around them all the time. Oh, B-Boop has something to say to us. Let's see what he's gonna say. Something probably about our steam power. Yep.
We are now compliant with the guidelines. Great work, team. BB, do you have any updates on Mission Command? What? How can the analysis say that the Mission Command space station was destroyed nearly 32 years ago? How can that be? Why has our drop pod only launched just now? You need to continue digging through the archives.
I shouldn't need a whole lot of piping. I just need piping to come up from the water and into that first or that far end steam turbine. Not steam turbine, boiler. But I do need a pump. What's my pump gonna take? Can I just craft one of these? Pipe intake. I hope I don't have to run 2 pipes and space our line of 20 out. I've seen other creators do 15 in a single line. I think there'll be enough fluid in the pipes. Okay, so I got my intake, my pipe. Okay, I need transformers. So electrical parts, plates and rods. Take 10 each. Do 5.5. 3 times 10 is 30, 60. So we're gonna need 10, 12. 12 would be 60, 66. And 70, so 15, 30, 60, 75. Alright, so I need 150 electrical components. Two stacks of plates, 2 stacks of rods. And some electrical components. Okay. Okay. 150. Okay, that's fine. And power poles. 40 power poles. So let's just grab another stack of electrical components. Alright, yeah, okay. And what else does this need? Plates. So I need another stack of plates just for power poles. 2 stacks of plates. 5 stacks of plates. 2 rods, 5 plates. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. 2 rods, 5 plates. Go over here to our unused. Excuse me? Did I screw something up over here? Oh, I did. Look at that. 4 intake. Boom. 2. Maybe one more. No, I said 2 stacks of rods, right? Okay. And 5 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Just to double check. Plate selection components. Rods. Okay, I think we have enough. I've never worked with this yet in my early access playthroughs. Originally, I didn't get to the point of having steam power. It just wasn't in the demo, so I didn't buy this until the early access release. So you're gonna have to bear with me while I figure out how to use these pipes. I'm assuming that we're gonna use them a lot like we do conveyor belts, where we go to place them down and then we can rotate them around and we can manipulate them kind of the same way that we do belts. Build. I can build walkways. Okay. Kind of thinking a walkway down the edge of this might be nice. Oh, but I don't have a jetpack, so getting back up here is going to be problematic. Okay. Let's see. My conveyor is kind of full. Guess we can put it down here. Pipes, intakes. Don't have any power poles crafted or these things yet. So what did I say I was going to do with this? 30, 60. Okay, so I need 5, 10, 15. And then I don't know, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 power poles. Okay. Now let's see. Hold to get the piece that I need, which is a bendy piece, and then rotate on the y-axis is R. Okay, see how that works. Rotate on the x-axis is T. Okay, that's how I want that. But of course, it's not going to snap to the end of this with me hanging off the edge, so I'm going to have to drop down in the water and try and do it from down below, which is just terrible. Let me, get out of the water on this platform. There we go. Okay. It's not the best, most ideal way of building this, but Okay, now we need model, straight, T to rotate. Can I go down into the water? Okay, then I'm assuming that I'm gonna put my pump on the bottom of this. Wait, why does it have a... Okay, so I gotta rotate it. T. No, R. Okay, I'm confused. Oh, H. There we go. Alright, we have water flowing. Now, I'm curious to know how I tell how much. I mean, are all these getting water? Equal amounts. 500. Still going up. Okay. I'm curious to know how I know how much is flowing through here. Do I read it from the pump, maybe? Huh. Interesting. I wonder how you tell how much water you have. Unless it's just not a thing right now in the game and you just have unlimited water pumping through there, which would be nice. I don't have to worry about load balancing pipes and stuff. Alright, so these aren't going to actually turn on until we get them on a high power grid. So now we're to our power poles. Oh, but I need a wire too, and I didn't make any wire. Where is it? Two wire coils. Oh, crap. $35.30, $35.40 maybe? I don't know if that's gonna cut it. Building them fast. Jeez. So now I think I go here to here. I can go here and it creates a new pole. I go there and then I click that and I click this again. I make a new pole. And I click into that, click that. I'm gonna make a new pole. Click into that, click it again, make a new pole, click into that, pole, click into that, make a new pole. This is linking them together, yeah, okay. Here, make a new pole, click that. Okay, so in case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm clicking on the pole with my cable selected, right? And then what that's doing is kind of satisfactory style. It's automatically creating a pole when I drag the wire over. And so I'm placing the pole and then I'm already still in wire mode, so I'm just pointing at the device to hook it up to its power pole up there, right? And then I click the power pole again and drag and it just automatically creates a pole. I'm going to assume this would not work if I didn't have a pole in my inventory, but I do, so it's working the way that I would hope it works for ease of building. Okay, now we need to build our transformers. So I need to make a little space for transformers so that we can then get power on the grid. Are these now running? Oh, 20 LS, 20 liters a second of water, and outputting 360 liters of steam. I can't really read the panel on my... Oh, I could over here maybe. High voltage grid, 20 steam turbines. Okay. At 3.6 megawatts, so I've got just 72 megawatts if all 20 are at 100% efficiency. Okay. So let's get a little bit of a platform made here. Don't have a whole lot of platform pieces left, but can probably get a little bit of something going on here. Let's see how big these are. 6. A panel. Assuming these are gonna have a... They do. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonder how many cables you can put off of a pole. Okay, so now let's go to 8. Oh, do they need their own poles? They need their own poles. That's a little bit, so let me craft up some more poles here. Let's see. Maybe I mean, okay, so let's go 510. And let me do this. And we're gonna grab all of these, pick them back up. 8. Oops. This is probably a bit excessive. Doing a power pole per. I'm guessing I can probably have multiple connections to a power pole. I mean, maybe I could do... Yeah, let's do it this way, actually. We'll see if this works. The panel... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's go 8. Okay, I mean that doesn't look too terrible. Then we'll go 6. Let's see, we need 2 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each one of these guys is transmitting 5 megawatts. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 megawatts. That's 50 megawatts, 75 megawatts. Okay. So I still should have enough based on what I was reading over here. would be 3072. Yep. Okay. So now let's see. Drug that over. So let's drag this over to here. Okay. We've done it. I mean, it might be a little close to our belts here, but I kinda okay with that setup for now. If we want to change it, move it around, do whatever later, we can. Go get rid of these. Well, I'm gonna leave the stairs into the water actually. I mean, it doesn't look like it's using any fuel at all, hardly. Here, this should tell us really quick, right? So, what it looks like. 1,002, 1,003, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. And that's just one fuel nugget, isn't it? Yeah, basically it's going slow. So I don't think I have to worry about the consumption coming off this line even with 20 of these turbines. Or burners, I mean. Steam boilers. Sorry. I just wish there was, I guess I don't know about the fluid dynamics. Because technically 360 is 3,600. I'm putting 20. So I'm consuming 400 liters a second of water, right? It looks like I'm inputting 1,000, if that's what that number reads. I don't know. I'm a little confused on the water flowing situation, but not manage inventory. Oops. I guess I can only look at the grid from the turbine. Guess that makes sense. Probably should have left a little more room so that we could actually have a proper thing going on here. Okay, so we've got 20 steam turbines on the high voltage grid. It's connected to 15 transformers that can handle 75 megawatts, and those transformers are sending all the power down to our main factory, which now has 0 power being consumed on the burners and the biomass generators. I mean, I should tear those biomass generators down. They're just sitting there in our original base, but the important thing to note is that the burner generators are no longer running, right? So as long as I have my steam and it's connected to transformers, which are connected to a platform, that platform is connected all the way to machines. The burner generator should never kick in unless we exceed this power output, or for some reason, we run out of fuel or something, and the steam turbines stop producing. But that's like 5.4 megawatts, and we're like, I think our total capacity is like 72 megawatts, right? So we got enough transformers to handle full capacity right now, so I think we're good power-wise for quite a while now, which is really cool. I'd like to get up here, maybe, let's see. It's gonna let me... Can I do it here? Yeah, I might be able to do it here. Let's see. Alt-U. Don't show UI. Let's hit some flying here. Don't know. It's forward, backward, left, and right. Control Alt. Shift Control. Shift Alt. Shift left. Shift right. Shift up. Shift. I don't know how to move up and down in camera mode. But I can probably get a decent picture of this. Might make a pretty good screenshot for this episode. Kind of shows our resources in the foreground too, which is really good. Alright, off that, remove camera, fall into the ground, okay. Alrighty. So automate advanced machine parts. I mean, we're at only an hour and 36 minutes and we got everything done, and then the bonus item was to do advanced machine parts, which this might take us the rest of the 2-hour time period because I've got to clear a bunch of land. I just didn't think we were gonna make it this far, so I didn't bother doing it ahead of time off camera. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of land clearing. We can't do our green science automation yet until we get concrete and cement and stuff going, which that we just can't work on right now because it's gonna take me a lot to clear that mountain out of the way and get the bus extended down there and pump in the water. So it's not something we're gonna work on today. And I'll have to move all this temp storage too. I think I'm just gonna get explosives. We're just gonna blow the crap out of this, and I'm not gonna run around and cut down stuff. I have room for explosives. I do. Man, I should have put these down on the end of that. Yeah, it's okay. But I think for a second I was like, wait a minute, what am I running over here to do again? Oh yeah, get explosives. Do I have any more stairs on me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Oops. There we go. That's much better. I just need more of these down the line so I can just get under the belts anywhere I want. Not sure how many explosives we're gonna want. Let's go with 300 for now. We'll see if we blow through all those. I'll just double check my biomass over here. Full. Okay. We've got plenty of biomass. Makes me think of an oil change place. To walk down underneath like that. Need to pick up some more base plates too. I should have left this area in the middle open down the bus line as well for putting escalators and stuff so we could zip up and down the belt line. Maybe I'll do it over there before we add the next parts. I mean, it's a little distant from the edge, but I guess I could do an elevated walkway over the top of it down the middle too that's got an escalator on it. Maybe plates do I have on me? Just want to see what these look like real quick. Platform. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. A ledge? I wonder what a ledge is. These stairs are really nice though. I mean, it's so much nicer than those other ones. I mean, the problem with putting I guess I'm not going to do 2 layers to my main bus. I mean, technically I could put another layer on top of the main bus, but I mean, it's not designed that way. It's designed for single layer. So So what I could do is do this. Do another one. Do I put a railing in the middle? Wait, I'm confused. Why is there a railing there? Okay, do I need to do this? Doesn't rotate. Why is it putting railings in the front? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Am I just not seeing the rotation on these? Of course, I destroy the frickin' foundations too. What am I missing? Okay, so it's not blocking them off. Is it the top? Rotate access. Don't want to do that. Build mode is snapping, which is fine. They just must be bugged. I don't understand why they would put railings across the stairs. What happens when I pick walkway and I do this? No, this way. Oh my gosh, come on. Okay. But I don't understand why there's freaking railings blocking my stairs. If you guys know the answer to that, like maybe I'm building it wrong or something, let me know. But we can start that, and then eventually when we get escalators, we can put an escalator on this and run it down. It'll allow us to run the length of our bus pretty quickly. We can put escalator here, and assuming we can get rid of these railings. I mean, I tried putting another walkway piece right down here to see if it would take it off, but then it put the railing on the walkway, so it doesn't make any sense. Like, you gotta be able to have an opening. It's like, let me just see something. Or was I just missing? Oh. Let's see. Is it this thing? Maybe it's this thing. Oh yeah, it's probably this thing. Yep, it sure is. Okay. Makes sense. Sort of. I mean, I figured it out. I get their intent. I mean, I guess it's kind of nice because we don't have to build separate rails. It'll just automatically build rails unless you put an edge piece on it, right? Okay. I got derailed. What were we working on? Oh yeah, automating, and so I had to come over here and clear stuff, and we got explosives to do some fun blowing up of things. So what I'm gonna do first is maybe just clear the immediate vicinity by hand, like right next to the platform, because I don't want explosions going in and blowing up our storage containers or our lines that we have right on the edge here. I'm just gonna tear out. And I realize that some of this low stuff isn't gonna interfere with it, but it might if we ever do like some underneath stuff. So I've been starting to clear it out, even though it's not really in the way. Got to grab more platforms too, but it's fine. Let's grab this. other good thing about using explosives, the bad thing is you don't get the material like the biomass, but the good thing is that it like hollows out the underneath, so that if we ever do decide to run belts underneath for whatever reason, we can do that. Like I was contemplating doing belts underneath from the bus. So like when you come off of your little ramp, instead of just staying on that level and cutting over, you drop down under the bus and cut over. But then I realized it would be hard for me to tell where I could drop things down and not, because I wouldn't see the belts through the floor. And it would make it difficult for me to know if I could safely drop down something. So I opted for putting the belts on top of the platforms, which, you know, it's a design in progress. Maybe I change it up later and I end up going underneath. I don't know. We'll see. I guess I don't need to go this far out. My platform is only that far. I think we're pretty safe now. I'm just gonna get these. Okay, time to play with explosives, right? Boom, boom, boom. And since we're not worried about elevation, I can just pretty much throw these on vegetation, that's it. Oops, I'm gonna go pick that up. I don't want that being that close. Alright, those all have explosives. Those have explosives. These guys all have explosives. This guy does not. That guy does, that guy does. Did I miss this guy? Okay, good enough maybe? Let's see. And ba-boom! Should be good enough for a production line. Two. Okay. I'm gonna have to get some surface entrances on this platform too, going down underneath. Didn't really consider walkways when I was doing this. What's my inventory look like right now? Kind of full. Go drop off that biomass and that seed. Then I can move these crates and get them out of the way. I don't know where I'm going to move them to yet, but do I have available room over here for more belts? Yeah, I do. Now, I was also debating, you see how we brought these belts up here in the middle? And I just brought them up on a ramp versus a blender like we have, or a balancer like we have these other things going off of. I was thinking about bringing them up. Oh, but that's why I didn't do it, because the balancer is not bidirectional. So I wanted to... So there's an input and output side on these balancers, not a node. So like this isn't like a out, out, and in. It's one side is in and one side is out. So I wanted to bring up a part anywhere on the belt for a new belt and have it go this direction and this direction to fill out like a previous belt stretch that it didn't exist where the part was being made, right? I mean, the other way to do it is to split it down here on the ground level. So like put a splitter and then we run another ramp up and push it down. And I mean, we really only need that, I guess, if we think we have things over here that need to pull from this new part. And I guess we won't, because we're going to be building out our stuff going down this way and off to the side, right? So maybe that's why I made that decision to do that. All right, let's get some platform pieces on us, and we'll get this platform built out, and then we'll figure out what we need for our advanced machine part automation. Yeah, fine. Wait, is that 2100? Yeah, I think that should be enough. I have way too many explosives on us now because I didn't use nearly as many as I thought I was going to. Yeah, I said it was going to take the full half hour to do this automation line. We haven't even started it yet. We're almost up with the half hour. It's classic sci-tech for you. Okay, let's see. How far out do I want to go with this? I guess we'll go out that far. Well, we can go a little further, maybe. Just want to make sure that I have enough platforms. Let's go there. Oh no, I didn't have enough. We'll get a little bit more, and then we'll finish that off, and then we'll move those containers, and we'll get going on this automation. Left some in here, didn't I? Okay, let's grab that. Grab like 3 more, I guess. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go dump off this biomass and seed while we're over here. So I can free up some more inventory for moving those crates because there's stuff in them. So let's pump that in there. Now I can actually make this with those walkways and stairs. I love those stairs much better than the original ones we got. Oh, this is so full. I mean, that's fine. Whoops, went the wrong way for dumping out this biofuel. $733. Boom. Boom. I have about 2, 3. I have 2 extra bombs. 2 more bombs than I actually want on me at the moment. For nostalgia purposes, these 2 little bio burners. It's funny. Keep forgetting this is over here. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's kill that, kill that, kill that, kill that. Let's go. Four more of those. Grab this and this. Get 4 stairs. Oh yeah, forgot. Need. Okay. And up here, we're gonna do. Perfect. Stairs. There we go. It's a little bit better. At least I can see the railings well. I can tell there's a step down, step up, step down. Perfect. Have this open. Does this have stuff in it? Oh man, I dumped a bunch of... This must have been from the build out that we were doing on the southern bus line. Oops. I have stuff just everywhere. I need to work on come up with a central storage design. Instead of storing in line on here, I should move storage like somewhere, like off to the left or somewhere, and just create a central storage. Maybe utilizing lines that run underneath. Alright, let's finish up our platform here. Okay. I'm gonna move, okay, I'm gonna move these down there, so let's do this. Nope, nope, not what I wanna do. Okay, let's do this. Move that. How much space do I have left? None. It's gonna be a one at a time, one and done thing, I'm guessing. What were these guys producing? Machine parts. I might build out that line. Definitely not gonna build out this. I am actually gonna build out this line. Damn it! What do we got going on over here? This is... Okay, this is conveyors, so I'm not going to build this out. So I'm going to put these storage boxes over here for now, I guess. It's not ideal, but it'll work for now until I can relocate them. Try and keep this stuff organized too at the same time. A little bit slow going, but we are going to meet all of our objectives. I'm confident. Have anything? Okay, we got stuff in there. Yeah, these are both full. Jeez. that in there, make that in there. Four, 6. I'm gonna put a couple of these in here too, just because I don't need them right now. Okay. My storage situation is abysmal right now. We'll fix it eventually. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, I don't have enough. So let's see, when are we gonna fix storage? Let's fix storage after we've automated green science. So once we've automated green science, I'm gonna put these stairs in here, I'm gonna stick this in here, I'm gonna stick this in here. Okay. Once we've automated green science, then we'll work on a storage design. I'll try and come up with something. Wow. More stuff. Okay, last one. This moved over here, and then okay, lights. Oh, I already had stairs somewhere else. And we just have conveyor belts sitting everywhere. It's funny. Stairs, boom. Okay. Let's take a look at what we need for our advanced machine parts, shall we? Of course, I don't have any of those assemblers. Oh, it's gonna need advanced machine parts. Okay, that's perfect. I can just branch something off of the output for the advanced and bring it over here. And then we could source it. Like I can get rid of this and we can source it in where this line would normally be. I have to redo this bridge a little bit, but that's not a problem. Yeah, okay. Let me do that right now. So let's make one of these. Probably should have just made it a tier 1 actually. I have to bring in a only a 2 input thing. Let's go there with it. Set this to be this guy. 10 per minute. What am I outputting over here? 7.5 a minute? Okay. So we're going to be putting out 7.5 a minute instead of 10 a minute, but that should be fine. Oh, but I need to fix that. Hold on. Let's move this down a little bit. Put a little bit of space to work with this belt. Okay. Advanced machine parts. 40. I mean, steel. How many do I want to output? I mean, 16 of these would be a 320 line. But then I would need like 2 machine parts coming in. Outputting 60. So for every 3 of these, I would need 2 machine parts. Maybe 8 instead? Yeah, because then 4 times 8 is 320. Okay, we'll do a 160 line of advanced machine parts. I don't know that we're going to need more than that, but if we do, we can scale it out. And then it's half a line of steel. Okay, so we're going to do 8 tier 2 assemblers. And then for those, we're going to do... let's see, 320. What was it? 60, 120, 180, 240. 300. 360. So I need 6 assemblers plus 8, so I need 14. 14 tier 2 assemblers. Yeah, and one of my new lines of my plates, because it's going to consume the whole line of plates. Okay. So I'm going to have a plate input, and I'm going to have a steel input. So 2 inputs. And then 8 and 6, 14. Okay. I mean, okay. Just make those. I have 1 storage, that's fine. How much space was I leaving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. Here. Yeah. Okay. What parts are these? Machine parts. I probably should have. I mean, it seems like it's going fast enough. Maybe. Can't tell what it needs. Oh, it's doing the advanced machine parts. Okay, that's fine. It's belt up. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. do this for machine parts. That. That. $60. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 360. Okay. I have 2 belts coming in, 1 belt going out. $320 line, which is fine. For output. And let's see. I need a steel and a plate line, right? My steel line is here, there, okay. I was like, hold on, I'm not out of those. Okay, now I got... I mean, okay. I probably should have reversed those lines, but whatever. I could have pulled the machine parts off the belt, off the bus, but I know they're already being used in other places, and that I don't have nearly a full 320 belt of machine parts. Or I just do if, you know, that's all I'm using, or if I'm only using it for the one part. I don't know why I'm extending these off the platform. It's just habit from doing all the belt work that I've been doing. So just needs to get to the end or close to it. I'm gonna run out of belts, aren't I? Got 103 left. Ran out of belts. Almost got it. I want to pull from the lead container. Grab a full 1600. We'll go through them. Yeah, whoops. Put those all out too far. That's okay. We'll be expanding the platform in no time. Alright, so now this is my steel plates from my new plate lines, which are out here. Yeah, so let's do this. And let's do that, and then this. I did that on the wrong side, didn't I? Dang it. Gotta remember that I want to come off on the right side of the belt. 7. Let's do that. Oops. Nope. There we go. Oops, I don't have one. Let's make one. Oops, I screwed the belts up down here. Yep, sure did. There we go. Okay, so we go 5 inputs. Let's go here, 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 and here. Okay. Now we go buildings. 5. Go back far now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This. Making advanced machine parts. Oops. Hello? Advanced machine parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Inputs. Here. Run this down all the way. Last one. And oops. Okay. Input. 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 And input. Okay. This is why we leave 5 spaces. So we have a 2-space walkway and enough for double belts. Until we can do triple belts, and then we're going to leave 6 spaces. Do I want to hug this container? Probably, right? Storage is 2A. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do... Oh, I didn't leave enough. How did I screw that up? I even said 2. I don't know why I screwed that up. Building 6. 1. 2. 4. 4. Input. Building belt. 7. That. 4. Here. Am I gonna be able to do this? 2 out from the... Have to do a little bit of a deviation here. I think this should allow us to get up on a new belt. Yep, we just bypassed that. Perfect. Okay, space and... Up. Did I screw that up or something? Oh my gosh. 6 panel. Here. Yeah, I guess I don't need any honey at all unless I'm gonna need to do. What I don't understand is why these are not outputting. Oh, we're gonna toggle that to output? Okay. Okay. So we should be putting out 160. It looks like that's what we're doing. Kind of mad I just extended those out past the platform, but that's okay. So steel, pipes, advanced machine parts. All right. I think we're going to call that an episode. 2 hours and 24 minutes. We got all of our objectives for today completed, which is an unusual thing for us to do. Usually I get 1 or 2 of my 4 or 5. But today we got our new plate line added, our new red line added, our new steel pipe line added. We got steam power built up and plugged in and running. And we automated our advanced machine parts. So a lot of accomplishments today, a lot done. Now off camera, what I plan on doing is clearing out more of this mountain, extending our bus line further down, clearing out and building platform further down a little bit, bringing over water, most likely from this area over here, because we're going to be doing our cement and concrete, which require water, and prepping lines for the gravel, cement, and concrete lines, as well as prepping lines for our green science production, right? So I'll get all the belt work done for all of that stuff off camera. And then when we come back in the next episode, we will get our gravel, cement, and concrete lines going, as well as our automated green science. And then we can start unlocking more stuff to do and getting into some of the really cool things like freight elevators and all that kind of stuff. It's going to make getting these ore deposits underground a lot easier. So yeah, we'll pop back up on our tower here and take a look at everything we've done today, and then we'll call it. Eventually we'll have a jetpack and we won't need this tower anymore to do this. So I could just fly up in the sky and take a picture. I may leave the tower for nostalgia purposes though. Alright, there we go. We did our additional build out of our second steel / pipeline. You can't see our power. It's way over there, but we did our power build out, which was really good. We put our 2 additional lines of rods and plates, which is really good right here. And then we also automated our advanced machine parts, which is this back line of now tier 2 assemblers, our first row of tier 2 assemblers that we have. So that was it. Also off camera, I may extend this platform out here a ways, clear all this timber and stretch us out a ways so we don't have to worry about doing it when we get into the next episode if we want to automate some more parts. But yeah, good episode today. Appreciate you hanging out. Until I see you again, enjoy your gaming and we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.